Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? So, what's the next target of Ecomi to upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down? What's my prediction? Everything, and what's our target? And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video about Ecomi is going very important for everyone. So kindly keep watch. But first of all, if you can see here, the crypto market this time change are very good, my friends. They're moving up. You can see here very positive change occur. But the first days they very badly falls down, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they also moving up, my friend. But if you can see here, my friends, the Ecomi change occur this time is very bad, my friend. Ecomi especially moving down, my friend, in the last and also first days and also this time, my friends. What's my prediction? I also tell you in this video. So first of all, I start my prediction, but please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new on our channel. Kindly click the red button, please, and also like this video if you need this type more informative. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification, my friend. If you can see here, this is the last 7 days charts, and you can see here the change occur minus 19.12%, very badly. This is negative, my friends, very bad positive change, negative change. This time 0.009091 US dollar as the latest price. You can see here they fails down very badly this point, and also after this point they also take a very bad fall. They only bad fall, my friend, no jump. Here is no jump. You can see here is no jump, but just only they fails down, my friend. So if they moving like this, then exactly they give you a very big loss, my friends. They cannot give you a profit if they're moving like this. Exactly, the Ecomi result is going very badly, my friend. Let's check out the last 7 day result to what's going on in the last 7 days. This is also very important, my friend. Oh, okay, my friend. If we check out this time, they are gone and the moon. You can see here this time very highest change occurred there. Our target after this, our target is 0.1 US dollar, my friend. But you can see here they when they starting fails down, and exactly our target is changed now. This time, if you can see here, my friend, they moving up, only moving up, my friend. And after this point, they take a very high jump, my friend. And after this target, they fails down again, exactly, and they fails down, hour by hour, day by day. And my friends, after this is a circulation. Every crypto coin is moving and the circulation. And if this coin moving and this circulation like this to fails, after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take jump again. So I hope in upcoming days they moving up. Exactly, this time you can see here in the last 3 months they change occur 18,400. Exactly, this is very high price, very high change, my friend. And if we check out, my friend, the last 1 day chart to what's going on in the last 24 hour, then absolutely we know they moving up or they fails down. Absolutely, my friend, this time you can see here they fails down, and also they take a high jump. This is the circulation, my friend, but this is a small circulation. You can see here after a small jump, after a small fail, this is the circulation. And I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, because this time if you can see here, this is negative, but this is very small negative, my friend. I hope this is change and positive in upcoming days, and they give you a very good profit. So our target is 0.1 US dollar. But this time if you check out, they very badly fails down. So our target is the end of this month. I hope they give you 0.1 US dollar if they're starting moving up. Otherwise this is not possible to they can give you a 0.1 US dollar. This is the target of Twitter. I see it on Twitter. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, because after this, which I see the previous result, absolutely they're moving starting moving up in upcoming days. So kindly, my brother, please hold it, don't sell it. At this time is a very bad for Ecomi holder, but please, the good time is coming soon. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.